Is this close enough? Yes, you know, close like that. All right, so I'm using, I'm already laughing, y'all. Like, I didn't even start yet. All right, so I got these from Family Dollar. Did not get anything expensive, anything all crazy. I'm feeling like I need to back up a little bit while I'm talking to y'all. So I got these from Family Dollar. They call it Drama Tea Lash. So we're gonna see. Kit includes 1 pair of lashes and lash adhesive. That would be like the glue. Okay, so I watched some videos last night to see how to do this, but I've seen many videos on how to put lashes on. I'm just not a lash person, because if you see my lashes, once I put my mascara on, they're naturally long, so I don't bother with this. So I thought it would be funny. Oh wait, I need to get tweezers. So let's see. So this is what the adhesive looks like. I don't know if it's clear or if it's white. I don't know what it is. These are the lashes out of the pack. All right, and I just went and got my tweezers. So I'm going to, let's see, take the tweezers. I'm going to take it by the end. Uh-oh. I'm not going to take it by the end. Oh, I am going to take it by the end. It has like a little, I don't know if you see it, that little string at the end over there. So I'm going to pull it from that so I don't mess up the lashes. So I'm going to take it. Oh, because it's glued on there. So this is how we're going to get it off. So that's how we get it off, guys. Trying to show y'all step by step because this is a beginning thing for me. So for any beginners out there or whoever wants to try, this is the first time for me. So if it's the first time for you, it's the first time for us together. Okay? Okay. So I don't know if this, oh my God, this is sticking to me. This is sticking to me. Okay. It shouldn't stick to me, right? No, I didn't put the glue on. So wait, which way does this go? Does it go this way? Okay, let's see how, wait, I gotta get a mirror. Can you guys see me? Yes. Okay, so I'm trying to see if this is like for my lash. Is it a good size? Yeah, that would be a good size. Okay, so boom. Y'all, I already, just practicing putting that there, sticking to my eyelid. Oh, this is gonna be some work. All right, so I'm gonna hold it. Oh my God, this is frustrating already. Okay, stop frustrating. We're not gonna be negative. Okay, just bear with me, y'all. Just grab your blunt. It just hit it one time. Don't be like me. So the glue, when I open it, it has that little thing like that. So the top has the little thing. So you just poke it through. Or you put it on there and you, oh, you heard that? And you twist. That's what you want to hear. You want to hear that little sound. Like when you dye your hair, that's how it is. Okay, so I put it back on. Let's take it back off. All right, let's get the tweezers. Let's get the lash. I'm gonna hold it. And we're gonna put, I knew it. I'm clumsy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's coming out. Oh my God, it's happening. Okay, so this is what we're doing. So we go across like this, right? Y'all gotta tell me. All right, so this is what we do, right? This is what y'all do? Well, we do, because I'm a woman. All right, so what I heard is, through the grapevine, that what we do, right, we let it sit, we blow it, we fan it, let it dry. All right, I don't know if I'm ready, I'm scared. Why am I scared? I'm not scared. I'm nervous. I don't know. I just don't want to. Oh my God, my eyelid. Okay. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Let me make sure the mirror doesn't get in the way. Can I get closer? Closer? All right. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was actually pretty good. Oh my God. That was actually pretty good, y'all, for the first time. Oh, don't be crazy. That was pretty cool. On the first time. Okay, no. Wait. Hold up, yeah. Yeah, I need more glue. I think I blew it too much and it dried too quick or whatever. I need more glue. I think I might have added too much glue now. Y'all see that? What do I do? Do I just wipe it off or do I let it dry? Guys, help me! Whose idea was this? All right. I don't know. All right. Hold on. Oh no. I better not get this in my eye. Cause I'm clump. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know what? I think it's the kind of glue. I think it's this glue. You know what I'm saying? Could be the glue. Cause I'm getting it on there. Should I press it on there? Why is y'all laughing at me right now? Y'all supposed to be helping me. You're supposed to be saying, sis, not like that. It goes down. I keep poking myself in the eye. Oh my God. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. I took the whole thing off. Look at my eye. I think with this glue, I have to do it while it's wet. And I think it has to dry while it's on my eye. I think. I'm not sure. But that's what it feels like. I don't know how y'all do this shit. This shit is frustrating and annoying. Holy crap. I'd really rather stick to my damn natural lashes with some fucking mascara and call it a day. I'm thinking that part was, this part over here is definitely on my eyelid. Is that how it goes? I'm getting this eyelash on one way or another. My mascara on? I don't know. Oh, wait. Is that it? Finally. And you know what I did different? I switched the eyelash. I think I was using the wrong eyelash the whole time. I think this eyelash goes for this eye. You know? Why is this popping up now? But anyhow, y'all got the point. I did it. So I'm not going to touch it. I think I did it. Well, that's as good as it's going to get. I'm scared to do the other one. For real. I don't even want to show y'all. Like, oh my God. Oh my. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh goodness, child. So look, I think I could do better next time. Let me give y'all the close-up of what he's really looking like, all right? So first of all, I have glue freaking everywhere. This is coming up again. This one is coming up a little bit, but I got it all the way to the end, which it needed to be over more, which I think if I would have had it over more, it would have looked a little better. Right now, it's just like, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to try again. I just want to, it's not like I'm going to be wearing them or anything. I just want to know, you know, just know how to do them. But for now, yeah, no, this is not going to work. I don't even know how to take them off. Like, I was trying to get this one off and I couldn't. So what I wanted to do was try the mascara. I don't know why I'm going to try the mascara, but I just want to try it anyway and see how that's going to look. I'm crazy, y'all, so be crazy with me, and that's just what we're gonna do. Oh my God. What if I had to put the mascara on, the lash would have came off? Thumbs me up if y'all laughing at me. Like, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching all the way through. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And subscribe. And this is gonna be it for me.